Welcome to Cook Your Catch. I'm Emily, and today I'm going to show you how to cook cast iron monkfish in butter. So let's do a quick rundown of our ingredients. We've got a lemon, a little bit of parsley, of course our monkfish, a stick and a half of butter, and then just a dash of paprika at the end. So the first thing we're going to do is we're going to take a little bit of the melted butter and we're going to put some in the bottom of the pan, and then we're going to spread it around to coat the bottom of the pan. And I'm doing just about 1 or 2 tablespoons. The next thing we're going to do is prepare our fish. Kind of get some of the water off of it before we lay it down. Give them all a good shake. And set that aside, and then we're just going to roll this up and just get it good and dry. And there you have it. So the next thing we're going to do is we're going to bring the butter over and we're going to grab the fish and we're going to dredge this through the butter before putting it into the pan. Last one. So we're doing this in the grill today, but you can do this at home in your oven if you like, whatever's easier for you. It's a great day outside today, so we're doing this in the grill. So we've got our grill preheated to 375. We're just going to pop it in. And it's gonna cook for about 18 minutes. All right, we're gonna prep the rest of our ingredients. I'm gonna start with the parsley. Set this aside, I'll get my butter out of here, and we're just gonna pick off the leaf and get rid of the stem. All right, then we're gonna chop this up. I'm gonna grab a bowl quick so this doesn't keep blowing away in the wind. So I'm just gonna put this in here. So we've got our parsley chopped up. Now we're gonna go to the lemon and we're just gonna do a real simple cut. And we're gonna cut enough to have about 3. Oh my gosh, that smells good. So our lemon is done, our parsley is done. It's been 18 minutes and it's time to get the fish out of the grill. All right, we're gonna move this stuff aside. Here it is. Bring a plate over. All right, let's plate this up. I'm gonna set this to the side. Then we're gonna put a little paprika on. A little goes a long ways. There we go. Add the parsley. And a little bit of lemon. All right, there we go. I cannot wait to taste this fish. This looks great. I'm gonna get a good chunk right here. That is really, really good. Super good. It's really hearty. It's got a good texture to it. It's sweet. This is also called poor man's lobster, and the texture of it is pretty close. It's a little flakier than lobster would be, but it's sweet, it's light, it's really good. It's a really great substitute if you're not willing to do lobster. Well, there you have it. Cast iron monkfish in butter. This is easy, it's simple, it's fast, and it's so good. Give it a try. Thanks for watching Cook Your Catch. I'm Emily, and we'll see you next time.